Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2018 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 3LT in torch red on black interior. So we'll just start over here at the trunk area. So I've got the removable target top out right now, and it's color matched to the vehicle. It's clipped in here, as you can see. We've got the privacy shades here as well. So there's one piece here and one piece down there. And I'll just pull on each side of this roof, and I'll just show you that it does swing up. Like so, and underneath it does have the quilted headliner on the roof, which comes with the 3LT. Down in the corner we've got storage there in that door. We've got the netting here, and we've got a 12-volt socket and a light in the trunk as well. So I'll just go ahead and snap that back into place, and we'll close this up. We've got soft close trunk, so it pulls itself closed. I'll step back here. Here's the wing, so it's got the nice wing spoiler on the back. We've got LED tail lights across the back here as well. We've got quad tip exhaust with NPP, so there's dampers on the outer exhaust ports that open and close to make it louder or quieter. We've got the nice carbon flash metallic paint on the lower half below. Looks great. And we'll just swing around this side. So here's your rear wheel. So looks great, no curb rash, and nice Michelin tires on there, and we've got factory painted red Corvette calipers, and the nice heavy duty brakes on there as well. We've got the carbon flash metallic painted vent here, as well as the side skirts that go along, and then there's your Chevrolet kick plate. A couple little minor scuffs on it, but that's what it is there for. And I'll let you have a look at the door panel here. So we've got the Bose 10-speaker stereo. We've got power locks, power windows, and electronic door release. We've got the nice baseball stitching that accents the door leather there as well. And for the passenger seat, we've got power fore, aft, up, down. We've got power recline, side bolster adjustment, and lumbar adjustment as well. And I'll go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's have a look in the glove box. So in the glove box, we do have the books. They're still in the bag there, so that's nice. And over here, we've got climate control for the passenger. We've got heated and cooled seats for the passenger. And in the center, that is a display for outside temperature. We've got the nice baseball stitching that goes along. And have a look at the dash here while I'm sitting here. Looks great. We've got the Alcantara that runs up the side pillar here. Very nice touch, and that's also on the visors there and across the top as well. And there's your frameless mirror as well. And let's hop out, close this side up, and I'll just scan down this side of the car for you. Looks good. There's your Grand Sport logo with the carbon flash metallic insert. And this one's got the hash marks on it as well. Great addition. And there's your front wheel. So again, heavy duty brakes. We've got the nice red calipers, the black wheels, and the nice Michelin tires. So under the hood, there's the engine. We've got the V8 6.2 liter engine, which is 455 horsepower, compared to the 8-speed automatic transmission. So lots of power for you. And we'll just go ahead and close this up. Oh, actually, before I do that, I want to point out there's your dry sump oil system. And then also on the Grand Sport, you have the upgraded transmission cooler and rear differential cooler as well. So we'll close that, and we'll have a look from the front. So there's your headlights. It's got nice LED daytime running lights and LED turn signals, as well as a projector eye in there with an HID light in it as well. So it's nice and bright. Down on the front of the bumper, we've got curb view cameras. So there's one here and one over here on the other side as well. So you can see when you're coming up close to a curb. We've got the carbon flash metallic insert there in the center, and the nice Corvette logo on the front. In terms of issues, let me just have a close look here. So it's got 3M on the hood, or excuse me, the front bumper. So that's protected. Let's see, outside of that, I don't see anything to point out on this guy. A couple little marks here, but they're in the 3M, so a little bit of heat, and they may smooth out as well. Down here, there is one little mark here on the chin spoiler in the front, which we'll do our best to make it look as good as we can, but it is there. Over here, there's your front wheel. Again, no curb rash. Looks good, nice and clean. Red calipers, nice heavy duty brakes and Michelin tires. And same thing back here. Okay. So here we are at the driver's side. So there's your power locks. You've got your power memory down below. And then you've got your power windows, electronic door release, Bose stereo, and again, that nice baseball stitching that goes along. So down below, there's your kick plate. And on the driver's seat as well, you've got power fore, aft, up, down, recline, side bolster, and lumbar adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat for you so you can see the condition. Looks great. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. Nice spark to it. So there we go. So in terms of kilometers, we have 13,611 kilometers. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. Down here we've got cruise control. So there's your cruise control switches. Favorites is for your radio to change channels. And then we've got volume controls here. We've got arrow keys here, which will control the information up here. So you've got info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and options. So those are all controlled there. You've got paddle shifters up here as well as on this side over here. You've got your headlight control on the turn signal switch. Down here we've got power mirrors. We've got heads-up display control, so I'll go ahead and turn off the lights. We'll brighten that and I'll let you have a look. So there's your heads-up display on the windshield with your speed and RPM and such. And then down below, down there's your trunk release and sensors to turn them off. So that's there. And then over here, you've got your wiper control. We've got our engine start stop. We've got behind screen storage with a USB, so you can put your phone back there. We've got audio, phone, projection, which is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, so factory nav. We've got performance data recorder. If I go to the next page here, we've got cameras. So there's your front view cameras. If I put it in reverse, there's your rear view camera. Move it out of the way there. There's your controls for climate. So cooled seat is right here, heated seat here, and same thing for the passenger here, as well as over there on that side. Okay, and we'll put it back in park. There's your nice 8-speed automatic shifter with baseball stitching on the leather. And we've got the mode selectors. So when we turn that like so, there's your track, weather, eco, touring, or sport, right? So that's done that by that. We've got our parking brake electronic there. We've got 2 USB ports to line in and a 12-volt socket here. And that's great. So we'll just hop out with it running and have a listen. Good sound to it. And we'll just scan down from the front here with the lights on. Sharp looking car. Looks great. Nice chug to it. Tail lights look great. Wow, what a sharp car. There you have it, folks. 2018 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.